When you think the time is not come yet, actually the time is already here. 嗨水同學會，嗨水同學會，網絡欺凌，詐騙集團。
Their problem is you know what the shithead is. They just know how to take the sound. You take your sound, they doesn't know what's your meaning and understanding and descriptions. 嗱，佢喺度攞咧你把聲啦，佢又唔知道自己解咩嘅。你攞一個字咧就亂齊咁砌喺度個計數機衰撚晒。係啊，呢班友啊，你諗住嗰個係我哋重新估計佢嗰個智慧。係重新同佢哋考試啦，同佢智慧啦，你點樣攞個賠償？因為我哋係一個危險狀態啊嘛。佢咁樣做，我哋咪算完成一個危險狀態咯。因為我喺度做投資嘅，我喺度做大量投資，你叫班賊嚟就可以偷我嘅嘢，跟住擺住，跟住 bully 我哋，跟住 internet bully，跟住再俾人 killing，再謀殺，再放火，殺人放火，再撞鳩爛你嘅車，跟住再陰鳩你揾啲細路，陰鳩你唱衰你，你咁樣 OK 啊？我投訴你間學校啊，係咩？我同你 president 傾。同你security部門傾，投訴你security啲公司都 sell 你埋，係你做警察啊，投訴你背章都冇埋，係啊，我警察局投訴你咯，你話 OK 啊嘛，咁樣叫 OK， 我投資咁多錢咧，你叫人偷撚晒我啲嘢，跟住轉撚晒 market 度啊 bully，internet bully 話 OK， 係啊，做唔做嘢？你唔好以為自己背後收咗啲黑錢啊，就以為可以 cover 住啲嘢啊，可以查埋你嘅實頭皮啊，我過到多唔多政府？係嗰班柒頭咧就攞一兩個字咧，跟住解釋俾人聽咧，佢哋唔識解字㗎，係佢哋冇 decision 呢個意識㗎，係成班豬頭嚟㗎，佢冇 process 冇程序冇安全程序，係啊，佢冇安全程序㗎，佢亂齊咁嚟，係啊，呢班臭婆呢班臭閪佬，係啊，全部係賣淫集團出嚟㗎嘛，佢全部係偷呃拐騙出火㗎嘛，係啊，佢做火㗎嘛，做咩火出火咯，佢話出火㗎嘛，係啊。咁佢出火就你調咗過嚟去做飛機師咁佢而家咪教撚樹晒佢就係因為咁樣上位噶嘛。佢首先喺 internet bully 你，跟住 internet 揾你啲資料，喺 Facebook 周圍抄啊咁樣，跟住周圍 mon 住啲人啊，跟住走去落手啦，係啊，賊人就落手啦，係啊，我警訊仲要講埋呢個提及呢個話題㗎，警訊嗰度仲要做。係啊，所以同個警方合作 911 嗰度直接同你 contact 㗎。你話 bully OK 啊？我哋話唔 OK 喎。點解你話 OK 啊？你有冇數據啊？我哋有數據啊。係叫佢攞數據出嚟啊。點解你話 OK 啊 ？bully 係 OK 咩？我哋啲人做咗咁多 investor 喺度，你叫人哋偷鳩晒啲人啲公司啲資料走嚟周圍擺，跟住你話咁樣係 internet bully OK？背後涉及幾多黑錢運作同埋賣淫集團同埋呢個兒童色情刊物啊？係佢搞出啲細路仔嘛，同 high school 度做一個訪問同埋 report 㗎，跟住成個家長會推出嚟講咯。你咁樣 OK 嘛？我問啲家長 O 唔 OK？你話 OK， 你白痴啊！你邊撚個啊？你邊撚個啊？我告到你仆街冚家產！叫 IQ 出嚟講嘢。Here is the education departments and education's children. Here is about the calculator problems between the iCloud. Here we got a lines to the iCloud. Here the Mac computer, Apple. We are here the school here. We have a lot of school in the education's department all over the country, Canada and to Hong Kong. The motherfucking iCloud here behind and shit the people up and fake our children here. We got alliance to the world, to the media, and to the immigrant nations. The people here, iCloud inside, they fake our children. They said they use their iCloud, you stupid. Yeah, they said the iCloud inside the staff iCloud inside. They asked by somebody's terrorism group and tell the people that we are children is idiot and stupid. And not allow us to work on the calculator and become some kind of design. They fake our design. We got to compare you motherfucking iCloud inside the staff. Here they fake our message here. We will talk to you directly. In iCloud and the CEO Cook, Mr. Cook, CEO OK. Yeah, true, they use your name Cook. And Cook the iCloud and Cook our information, the bank informations, investment
Do you
from
understand? Are
iCloud
you iCloud?
to
Are
be
you
a cook.
SM or iCloud?
They cook our things.
Be
and call
careful
our
your
face to be
position,
shit.
iCloud.
Yeah, true is true.
You actually is
The harassment
SM
the
right
children
now.
sexual. We're going to ask you to report the things. You cannot hit them up.
You doesn't
How can you hit
understand
them up in the
position,
iCloud, in the wing, and it become a UFO aliens?
Everybody know what's
No
going
way.
on.
This is
One million people sign
ridiculous.
up.
You think you're
Who will talk
aliens?
to you?
Motherfucker, here is a human being. The earth is a human being around. How many using your phone and iCloud? And there is some group hidden up in iCloud and fuck somebody up behind. Here, we're going to ask you what's going on and report the things. 嗰啲死婆喺香港話介住你兄弟想衰喎，佢話呢啲你兄弟進行恐怖襲擊，串謀教唆、串謀詐騙、跨境賣淫，係啦，我哋睇邊個兄弟搞事，乜撚嘢兄弟啊？邊撚個兄弟啊？乜水嚟㗎？扮兄弟？屌咪！大家911告鳩佢，嗱佢叫你啲兄弟一齊串謀詐騙同埋謀殺。虐待兒童，係邊個兄弟啊？曾志偉個仔啊？邊個兄弟啊？我唔識佢喎。嗱，依家就係睇下移民局嗰邊，佢一班豬兜同埋自己臭媽咧，就揾咗你班 friend 嚟進行恐怖襲擊。依家就查緊話佢話邊個兄弟姊妹，係唔係 Mark One 唔係你啊嘛？唔係 Mark One 你啊嘛？Mark 真啊！孖溫定孖爭啊？你冇理由喺度玩嘢喎！嗱，邊兩個兄弟啊？我一抄佢出嚟啊！我揾我啲 friend 教鳩我啊嘛，我咪問你咯。嗱，孖爭，我哋會再向香港小姐委員會、香港小姐大會嗰度做個 report 嘅，係做翻個 report 嘅。係咁，賊人方面呢，依個恐嚇勒索咧。串謀咧假衰我哋啲材料啦，咁香港小姐嗰邊咧我會同你做個警告lance 嘅，係睇下會唔會有香港小姐俾人串謀詐騙，係串謀詐騙咧進行恐嚇勒索，係跨境賣淫同埋係串謀一齊恐嚇，會唔會有香港小姐俾人呃到咧？會唔會俾人呃到咧？依家就係我哋就係追緊呢個位置啊嘛，係追緊個謀殺犯啊嘛，係所以有機會同香港小姐大會係嗰度進行一次大會嘅。嗱，咁呢班賊咧就係香港串謀一班印度鬼過嚟溫哥華咧就進行串謀詐騙嘅恐嚇勒索，係咁啊擺個位咧擺喺樓上樓下咧偷鳩我啲嘢，係搶鳩我啲嘢，跟住恐嚇詐騙我啲屋企人啊！謀殺謀害啊！我而家同移民局報好多次警㗎啦，係我將成個 report 吹俾佢嘅，係咁都講過啦。TVB 嗰度 IK 保會有派證人過嚟啦，係順便提埋香港小姐大會嗰邊，香港小姐大會嗰邊啊，係會有香港小姐大會，香港小姐被串謀詐騙咧，因為我哋啲 program 嗰啲設計喺度包含香港小姐嘅位置，長城公主位置同
國際華僑。
希臘女神，嗱咁喺創作嗰度咧，佢班友咧就將我哋啲嘢咧就亂齊咁派啊嘛喺街坊會度，係啊，我哋呢度 design 嘅，做設計嘅 design direct design 做 mixing 嘅，係做創造嘅，做創作做設計嘅，咁啊攞我啲工程嗰啲 program 真係派，真係放炸彈啦，係炸爛嘅計數機真係亂咁搞衰晒，叫放炸彈，係咁依家同香港小姐大會嗰邊再做個 report 嘅，唔該晒。係咁，要移民局嗰度報警咁，因為呢個 program 個 project 咧係同 Cindy Fashion Alternation 嗰度個 wedding party 有關咧，個 wedding address、wedding party、wedding dress。咁同時間我哋仲做緊一個位置就係同香港小姐做一個 partnership 同埋一個 project 嘅，係因為喺個 mixing 嗰度咧。係咁，我 information 嗰度我哋公司咧個 business account 嗰度咧係俾啲賊咧係電腦閪走咗啲資料，咁我唔知留咗啲咩資料出去啦，我哋所以同東張西望同 IK 部 TVB USA 呢度 TVB USA 嗰個交代翻件事嘅，咁我要報警㗎啦，係有關資料嘅遺失， 咁我再報告翻香港小姐嗰邊咧，會唔會涉及呢件事？有人叫你進行過嚟依邊喺我頭上樓下左左右右咁樣偷鳩我啲嘢閪衰我咧？係咁我講翻，如果係咁樣咧，係可能有機會涉及刑事毀壞同埋刑事涉及串謀跨境詐騙同跨境賣淫㗎。係因為嗰班係賊嚟㗎嘛。係我已經 mention 咗好多萬次㗎啦。係如果你唔搞唔清楚呢個位置咧，咁可能要坐監香港小姐。咁我同香港大會嗰邊咧，香港小姐大會會做個 report 嘅，唔該晒。係啦，呢啲基本智慧嚟㗎，基本常識啦，小學都知㗎啦。你阿媽唔會叫你屋企去人哋偷嘢㗎嘛。係，如果你阿媽叫你去人屋企樓上樓下偷嘢，你又唔識佢嘅，你唔會覺得係傻㗎啦，咁即係做賊啦。係冇錯，呢基本常識嚟㗎啦。如果唔識，你肯定坐監。同埋我哋已經 mention 咗好多次，去公司發咗好多次聲明㗎啦。喺東張西望同 IK 部，係冇錯，係麻煩公司再重新再做一個大會，香港小姐大會嗰日再通知翻啲香港小姐，無論上選同落選，冠軍同亞軍，係季軍同美軍，都有機會俾人串謀詐騙，過嚟進行恐怖襲擊嘅。呢度溫哥華 BC，New Westminster Woods Numbers 1234 Wood Street Number 1234 New Westminster Vancouver 1155 Church Davy Farewell. Be careful, there were murder case and people and from bully become killing around the neighborhood. Be careful. 嗱，邊個負責叫你坐我隔離咧？邊個負責叫你坐我個位咧？因為就追緊呢條友啊嘛，係同串謀殺案有關嘅。Who asked you to sit on my seat? That means that the murder case come from murder case. We are mentioned to the world already here. We want to mention 1,000 more again and 1,000 more again to the neighborhood. Yeah, true is true. They are fake people. They always tell the people to manage your work, manage your things here everywhere. 10 years already. Every time they fake you, and they follow your path and come to ask the neighborhood to come around and also fake the people and fake the Miss Hong Kong to come and sit on your seat. Actually, they're fifth. And they tell some group from onephone.com. So we to mention to worldwide international Miss Hong Kong and Miss International Beauty around. Yeah. And here who asked you to work on this kind of shit? Actually, it's from onephone.com. Tell some group behind. We answer to you and the media directly to 1911199 many times. So you have to be careful. This is a company TVB Limited. Warning to TVB from TVB USA. Yeah, true is true. Don't turn it to movie again and try to fake the people around the world. Here we'll talk to you directly. Here, true is true. You don't cover the thing and try to ask the people in the neighborhood to cover the things and tell the neighborhood they lead to the work. They're all fake. They're fifth. Yeah, they tell this condition to you and tell people, ask you to lead you to out to the projects and we cooperate. Everything is all lying. It's just because they want to take your place. Yeah, they want to lead you to the black hole, into the shit hole. True is true. I'm a design director here from Vancouver. Wood Street number 1234 and Farewell number 1155 Church, Davy Street. This allows to the community in Watson all the way to Davy. Vancouver Sun, Vancouver Cloud, TVB USA. Yeah, here if the church here asks you, tell you this a mystery happens. Actually not. It's just some kind of internet bully, haters from the community. It's everywhere actually. So some kind of mother doesn't understand they fake by the some kind of religion, church or Indian or in Hong Kong or China and tell this is a mystery touching or some kind of a different world and get into time space or something and this kind of thing and actually they're breaking the calculator. Yeah, they're not actually working on a right path and then they always break the calculator. They working on breaking your calculator and ask the people fix everything. And ask the people to lead to the path to you to Delhi, to there, to fly to the shit. Actually, they're terrorism group. They will condemn them even to the Delta airport. They lead the people, they lead the terrorism group to airport and become pilots. They ask the people to steal you from upstairs they'll get into your space and get into your song. And actually, they are terrorism group from the internet haters. They got a amount of people who doesn't know them. We call the police many times. The policemen come out to the public and tell the children what's going on. Otherwise, they're faked by the fifth, by the KK Song and GG Song. Please don't join them. The police you should understand what's going on. Are you nuts or something? We're going to report the media and the immigration officer direct to the Toronto. Yeah, over everywhere in the world, 911, 999, and 119. We're going to report everything here. What's going on here? Why you follow me and take my thing from the other neighborhood from here? Ask the people to get into your company and steal your email, and from the iCloud I take your name and get into the pass it to the market. You doesn't know, and you never report to you and turn around the thing and fake the people and try to tell the people to pick matter and tell them it will lead you to work or managing the things. This is for 20 years away to fake the people. He doesn't know that. We want to report to everything. The sign will go through the universe and all the way to the VI Atlas. And the VI Atlas and come back to the 3,000 million light years away around in the galaxy. And come back again, the message will all the way back to the fucking head. You're fucking nuts. Let's talk about this topic again and again. 點解保安詐鳩我啊？我都寫封投訴信投訴到你仆街，連你保安公司都詐鳩埋嚟嘅。嗱，呢度做投資嘅，做 investment 嘅，我哋嚟呢度，我嚟 Vancouver，佢講 investment a lot of money here and working on our company and business. You ask the security break into our company and take our things and try to block our way. From Vancouver here, we're going to allow your immigration officer here all the way to Toronto. We're going to allow investment here, payment and every single taxes every year. True here, what's going on here? We're from Cindy Fashion Alterations in the Davie Street. Yeah, they fake the people, ask the people here is continue to attack us. Yeah, from the community here. And as a security, they fake our identity and fake the people around to us, the neighborhood to attack us. Here we investment a company here and working our studio from Hong Kong company and design director all the way to the Vancouver, Canada. It's all about the energy system is 金木水火土風。金木水火土窿，金木水土風and風雲。Here about the 風雲and community and doesn't know the formula equation formula. They say let's doesn't know the word meaningful. We want to tell the neighborhood views from the West Street number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here all the way the community, they fake the people around the neighborhood. We want to allow to the building departments in the West Street number 1. 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 5, 7 in the 4. And here they become a sexual harassment, push the people to be sexual slave. Therefore, OnePhone.com allows you many times to the police station. Yeah, please don't fake the people against the children in dangerous situations. Yeah, people in dangerous situations and community doesn't know that. You ask the people and get to your company and business, take your things and pass it to the neighborhood and who doesn't know. And the high school president have to realize what's going on behind. Yeah, they fake the children into be sexual slave and block the people work and try to fake the people and that's some kind of mystery or discover everything actually is from internet bully only. It's from internet bully, so what? It's everywhere. And fake pig mother doesn't understand the computer. And go for this kind of spray time and cover it with the iCloud. And behind the iCloud, the story we're going to tell more about to the CEO Cook. CEO K. We will talk to you directly. Apple wing. 5萬至8萬100萬千名。Then they turn the internet bully become killing and murder and become arson. Yeah, true is true. They think as the internet bully is okay, actually it's not okay. The motherfucking police is fucking nut. The head is nut. The people is cooperating neighborhood working on the business with hacking other people business and use their other informations. And they doesn't know what's going on and pass it to the market and shoot the company in the investment. Yeah, they think it's okay. No way. Fuck you, the motherfucker computer hacker here. Yeah, true is true. Fuck your mother, fuck your father. Yeah, true is true. Everybody sign up. Yeah, who teach you this kind of thing from the children is actually is killing people. Yeah, it's internet bully. If from internet bully, being haters on the street and kill you and bully, it's an arson. You think that's okay? Fuck you, motherfucker. We're gonna call police. I mentioned many times already. You think it's okay? If you think it's okay, I think you're nuts. Head is a fucking nuts. You take away your guns and your license away. The police have to understand what's going on the safety system. Are you nuts? You ask the security to come over and take other people's things and you're not watching the fifth. You turn around the finger around the head because you have to want to take some money behind the black money. Fuck you, we know everything. We're security systems, student research department here. You think it's nuts? We will tell the world what's going on, report everything.